In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get the LinkedIn follow button on your profile. Whether you are looking to expand your network or simply wish to share your professional insights more broadly, having the follow button as a primary option can be an effective tool. To start, open up your favorite web browser and head over to LinkedIn.com. If you are not already logged in, take a moment to do so now. You have a few options here. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can simply enter your email address and password. It is always a good idea to have your login details handy. And if your account is protected with two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity by sending a code to your phone. It is a simple step, but it adds an extra layer of security to ensure that only you can access your account. Once you are on your LinkedIn homepage, direct your attention towards the top of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is essentially your personal hub on LinkedIn. From here, you will want to navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. This area houses all your account settings and privacy preferences. On the left side of the page, you will see a variety of options. What you are looking for is labeled Visibility. This section lets you control how much of your LinkedIn activity is visible to others. Next, you will select Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This is an important area where you will essentially be deciding what parts of your LinkedIn presence are visible to those who visit your profile. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you will find an option labeled Followers. This section is crucial as it dictates who can follow you and see your posts. Look for the section titled Make Follow Primary and toggle the setting to Yes. By doing this, you are making the follow option the primary action for those who visit your profile. This means that instead of seeing the connect option first, visitors will see the follow option, encouraging more people to follow your updates. Additionally, you have the flexibility to choose who can follow you. You can decide between allowing everyone on LinkedIn or just your connections to follow you. Adjusting this setting can help you control your audience, tailoring it to your professional needs. And there you have it. You have successfully set up the follow button on your LinkedIn profile. This small change can have a big impact on how you interact with your professional network. It is an excellent way to allow more people to connect with your journey and engage with your content without necessitating a formal connection. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your LinkedIn experience.